How do you keep security to your children inside? We should be keep security to our children inside from the scissors, knife, gas cylinder, gas oven, electricity, switchboard and plug point. How do we keep security to our children outside? We should be keep security to our children outside from the electricity, car accident and the red light or zebra crossing. How do you keep security to your children in kitchen? We should be keep security to our children in kitchen from the electricity, switchboard, plug point, gas cylinder, gas oven and burning fire. How do you making a orange juice? At first, I have bought the fresh orange from the market and peel the orange and remove the seeds and the pieces of orange are put in the juicer machines and a switch on the machines and the liquid juices are separated and poured in the bottles. Honeybee. Honeybee is the small and intelligent and natural insects. They are laid out from the eggs. The queen of honeybees has a capacity to take care the rest of the honeybees and protect the eggs. They have capacities to create a beehive. What is noun? Noun understand the name of persons or things. Kinds of noun: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, materialist noun and abstract noun. Insects baby name: spider baby spiderling, mosquito baby fly, mosquito baby larva, fly baby larva, honeybee baby larva, ant baby larva, lizard baby hatchling. HATCHLING. Lizard baby hatchling, grasshopper baby nymph, NYMPH. Duck baby duckling, chicken baby chicks, parrot baby chick, peacock baby peachick, owl baby owlet, eagle baby eaglet, crow baby chick, nightingale baby chick, woodkeeper baby chick. Cat baby kitten, dog baby puppy, cow baby calf, elephant baby calf, tiger baby calf, deer baby fawn, horse baby foal, donkey baby foal, zebra baby foal, camel baby calf, bear baby calf, sheep calf, sheep baby lamb, deer baby fawn.